it going, everyone? I hope you are doing well. Today we have the letter Ya. Ya. The sound is E, E, as a long vowel taking time of 2 counts. E, E. To draw Ya in the isolated form, we do a small curved line around, then a bigger curved line the other way, and we add 2 dots below. One more time. A small curved line around, then a bigger curved line the other way. The 2 dots go below the letter. When Ya comes in the initial position, it changes its form to let the following letter be easily connected. We draw a small vertical line, then go left for a longer line. And we add the dots below the vertical segment. One vertical line, then another to the left, and the dots. In the medial position, Ya is exactly the same. We only add a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. We start from the connecting segment and go up for the vertical segment, then down and left for a connecting segment leading to the following letter. The dots go below the vertical segment. A connecting segment, up and down, then to the left, and the dots. In the final position, Ya is almost the same as the isolated form. It only loses the small curved line to have a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Start from the connecting segment, then add the big curved line and the dots. A connecting segment, then the big curved line and the dots. Now, how about checking some examples to see these different positions? In the initial position, Ya changes from the isolated form to pave the way for the following letter. In the medial position, it has 2 connecting segments, one coming from the previous letter and the other leading to the following letter. In the final position, it's almost the same as the isolated form. Instead of the small curved line, it has a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Here, Ya took the form of the initial position, although it's not at the beginning of the word. That's because it was preceded by a non-connecting letter. A letter that can't provide a connecting segment. Sometimes, when Ya comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, It comes as well in a final position. Therefore, it takes the isolated form without a connecting segment. So, in conclusion, ya has four forms depending on its position in a word and whether it's preceded by a non-connecting letter or not. There's the initial position, the medial, final, and the isolated form. Please practice writing the four forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of ya as you draw it. E, E.